That's racist. That's racist. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, That Chocolate Vegan, with me, Erin Wells, and today I'm feeling like a taste of Mexico. Let's make some fajitas. Let's prepare our steak. Olive oil, some steak seasoning. This also comes in regular, and some liquid smoke. Into the fridge it goes. Per tradition, well,
at least in Mexican restaurants, because I'm not from Mexico,
I have all the colorful peppers here. We have red, yellow, orange. That's it, red, yellow, and orange. We're gonna stick them in our cast iron skillet, and we're going to season them with homemade fajita seasoning. Let's add some oil to our pan. For our fajita seasoning, here I have chili powder, cumin, salt, pepper, oregano, paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, and parsley. Once your stove has heated up, we're going to add in our peppers, and let's add in our fajita seasoning. I'm gonna mix this all together. Our peppers have been sauteing for 10 minutes now. I'm gonna go ahead and take them off the heat. And thanks to editing, our mushrooms have been marinating for 30 minutes. So we're gonna go ahead and switch out and put those inside the pan. We already had oil on our mushrooms, so no need to add more to the pan. Also, no need to clean it out because vegan. If you guys are wondering why I just didn't add the mushrooms in with the peppers, it's just a matter of preference. When I have my fajitas, I would like everything to be separate so I can build it myself. So I didn't want the flavors necessarily meshing together until I put it all together in the final product. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and add a quarter of an onion and 3 cloves of garlic. And I will see you in 10 minutes. Yes, I will.
please don't unsubscribe. I'm so sorry.
All right, guys, it's actually been 8 minutes, but this is reduced down pretty well. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the stove off. Move our mushroom or our steak to the side, and now I'm gonna add in our peppers, how you would get it at a restaurant. Looking at the amount of meat versus peppers, I should have used all 3 of the mushroom caps, but it is all good. I love veggies. All right, guys, so you are pretty much done. This was the hard part. The rest is just assembling your plate. Let's get started. For the sour cream, I'm using Tofurdy's brand. All I do is pretty much add salt to bring out the flavor. For salsa, I am using Aldi's brand. For my refried black beans, I'm using Amy's.
She's expensive sometimes, but she's good.
All right, just toasted 2 wheat tortillas. Let's load it up.
Oh, and for an avocado, I'm using an avocado. Got it from Kroger.
All right, let's build her. And of course, you could also have lettuce, tomato, guacamole, whatever you would like. Oh my gosh, the smell, y'all, the smell, listen, these are so stuffed. Salsa. And a dollop of not daisy, okay? Ew. Ooh. Ooh. Listen.
I don't know what I want to say, just listen.
All right, friend, I'm ready. You ready? Let's, oh my gosh, this is so good, looks so good. Okay, I don't even know how to, this is way too big. I overstuffed it, but you know, it is what it is.
When I found you, found my most intimate prayer. When I found you, I found what every heart dreams of. found love.
Y'all gotta make this. Y'all have got to make this. Like, as always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I will see you next time. I haven't shimmied in like 2 videos. Peace.